Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell about how to access local channels on smart TV. I'll explain the step-by-step process. Please keep watching this video. First step is check if your smart TV has a built-in digital tuner. For this, turn on your smart TV, open settings, go to channels and broadcasting or TV inputs. Confirm that TV supports antenna air input. Second step is connect an HD antenna. An HD antenna lets you receive free local broadcast channels such as ABC, CBS and more, and connect the antenna cable at the ANT in or RF input in the back of your TV. Place the antenna near a window or a higher location. Keep it away from the large metal objects or electronic devices that may cause interference. Third step is select the antenna input. Open the settings, navigate to channels or broadcasting settings, select signal source and choose antenna air instead of cable. Fourth step is scan for local channels. Your TV will search for available broadcast channel in your area. Open channel scan, auto scan or auto program. Select air or antenna. Start the scan. Wait for the scan to finish, usually 5 to 15 minutes. The TV will automatically save all available local channels. Fifth step called browse your local channels. Press the channel up and down button on your remote. Open the channel list, see all available stations. Add favorite channels for quicker access if your TV supports it. Sixth step called use streaming services for more local channels. If you don't have an antenna or want to additional local programming, open your TV's app store. Install a live TV streaming service such as YouTube and Hulu Direct TV Stream. Sign in with your account. Allow the service to detect your location to display available local channels. Second step is install free local news apps. Many local stations provide free apps for smart TVs. These apps often provide live news, weather and community updates at no cost. Keep your smart TV updated. Go to settings, select support or software update, choose check for updates, install any available updates. Troubleshooting: if local channels don't appear, make sure the antenna is securely connected. Reposition the antenna and run another channel scan. Confirm the TV is set to antenna and not cable. Check that your area had broadcast signal coverage. Restart your TV and scan again after updating the software. Final tip: an HD antenna is the easiest way to watch local channels for free on a smart TV. If you want to additional sports, entertainment and on-demand content, combining an antenna with the live TV streaming service gives you the best viewing experience in 2026. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video is really helpful. Please share this video, like this video and comment below. Thank you.